What's up, Crazy Auto Premier family? Strap in because today we're diving into a vehicle that's not just changing the game, it's rewriting the entire rule book for commercial vans. This is the all-electric, tech-packed, future-proof Kia PV5 Cargo. This machine is designed to slash your operating costs and boost your productivity from the moment you turn the key. We've got 8 minutes to cover every single killer feature, so let's get straight to it. First impressions are huge, and the PV5 makes a massive one. This is a seriously modern and functional design. Up front, it's got that signature Kia style with modern 3-cell LED headlights, slick LED daytime running lights, and practical automatic headlights. It sits on stylish 16-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Nexen tires. Down the side, it's all about smart work. You get body-colored door handles, dual manual sliding side doors for tight spaces, and tough black protective moldings on the bumpers to handle scrapes. The mirrors are not only heated, but also have integrated indicator lights. And around the back, you've got twin swing open rear doors for easy loading. This van is built to look professional and work hard every single day. Now step inside the cabin and prepare to be shocked. This is not your average van interior. It's a driver-focused oasis. You're greeted by a beautiful 2-spoke steering wheel wrapped in bio-artificial leather. And yes, it's heated. It also has paddle shifters for controlling the regenerative braking. The cloth driver's seat is also heated with 3 levels of warmth, has height adjustment, and even gets a comfy armrest for those long hauls. The steering wheel telescopes and tilts to find your perfect position. For storage, they've thought of everything. There are trays under both seats, a central bin, and cup holders. With automatic climate control and a heat pump for efficiency, this cabin is designed to keep you comfortable, focused, and productive from your first job to your last. Let's pop the virtual hood and talk about what powers this revolution. Under the floor lies a massive 71.2 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion polymer battery. This feeds a potent permanent magnet synchronous motor on the front axle. This setup delivers a healthy 163 horsepower and an instant 250 newton-meters of torque. That means punchy acceleration away from traffic lights, even when you're fully loaded. It gets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 12.4 seconds, which is more than quick enough for a van. And it has a top speed of 135 kilometers per hour. But the most important number? The range. An impressive 416 kilometers on a single charge. That's enough for multiple days of city deliveries without even thinking about a plug. This is where the PV5 absolutely embarrasses every other van on the market. The tech is simply incredible. Dominating the dash is a massive 12.9-inch touchscreen running Kia's latest software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It gets over-the-air updates, so it actually gets better over time. But the party trick is the vehicle-to-load system. With an adapter, you can plug a standard 3-pin plug into the side of this van and power tools, lights, a laptop, you name it. Your van is now a mobile power station. You also get a wireless charging pad, a powerful 100-watt USB port, and a 7.5-inch digital driver's display. The level of connectivity is just insane. Now, for the business end, space and safety. The cargo box is a cavernous 4,420 liters. That's 4.4 cubic meters of space. The load area is over 2 meters long and 1.5 meters high, with a low loading step and wide opening doors. And it's not just a big box, it's a smart and safe one. The driver assistance suite is breathtaking. Forward collision avoidance that can detect cars, pedestrians, and even cyclists. Smart cruise control that works in stop-and-go traffic, lane keep assist, and a standard reversing camera. Upgrade to the K4 trim and you get a genius 360-degree surround view monitor and blind spot collision avoidance. It's packed with features to protect you, your cargo, and everyone around you. All right, let's talk numbers. How much does this electric future cost? The well-equipped K2 model starts at 45,500 euros, but after the Irish SEAI grant, that price drops significantly to 41,700 euros. Want the top-tier K4 trim with its ventilated seats, blind spot cameras, and fancy mirrors? That starts at 47,800 euros, coming down to 44,000 euros after the grant. When you factor in the massive savings on fuel, the incredibly low maintenance of an electric vehicle, and the potential tax benefits, the PV5 Cargo isn't just a purchase, it's a smart long-term investment in your business's efficiency and profitability. So what do you think? Is the Kia PV5 the van that will power your business into the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, do us a massive favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to Crazy Auto Premier, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay efficient and stay crazy.